Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Chrome is lagging, freezing, or using too much GPU, one simple fix you can try is disabling hardware acceleration. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn it off in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome. Now go to the top right corner of the Chrome and click on three dots. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on System. Now look for the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available. Simply turn it off. After turning it off, Chrome may ask you to restart. Close and reopen Google Chrome to apply the changes. And that's it. You have successfully disabled hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. If this helped improve your browser performance, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.